1 over 2 times 2. Okay, here by 2, 1 by 2, 1. 1 times 1, which is 1. That means 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 is equals to 2. But this answer is not correct. Into the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. From left to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, so in this case there is one division and one multiplication. So multiplication and division has equal priority from left to right. So we have to divide this number first. So according to the case F rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Therefore, we have to keep the first number. We have to change this. The operation division into multiplication, and we have to flip the second number, the second fraction, then times 2. Okay, then 2 times 2 to 2 over 1 times 2. 2 times 2 over 1 means which equals to 4, then times 2. 4 times 2 which equals to 8. This is the final answer of this problem. Okay, the final answer of this problem is equals to 8.